So YouTube, I'm doing a video on the OfficeJet 3830, how to update it. Once every month or 2 months, 3 months, make sure you check your printer is updated. Well, the way to do it is go settings, bring it all the way down. As you can see right here, say printer update. You hit printer update. Now you check. It usually checks automatically, but let me give it a check. Maybe I haven't done it. Okay, as you can see, my printer is being updated. There you go. As you can see, download successful. Now it's telling you please wait. It's gonna do a reset. It's gonna update. As you can see, it's been updated successfully. Now it's gonna restart. That's it. Well, that's it. You're all set. Hope so. This is really useful. Like and subscribe. Thank you.